I'm Jordan Hansen from Cobalt Intelligence. Today we're going to talk about the Alabama Secretary of State and how to search for business entities with the Secretary of State. We're going to go through how to use Cobalt Intelligence to search via API. So Alabama, it's a pretty basic Secretary of State. The search is good. It's very simple. The amount of data it has is okay. It has the basic stuff like entity name, status, search by address. You can get the jurisdiction of the business. There's no industry field. You can't really access the organization documents, but a lot of the other information, there's no direct Secretary of State URL, phone number, email. A lot of the other information is just kind of the basic stuff. So here it is, the Alabama Secretary of State. So you type over here, you can type like pizza, for example. Let's zoom in a little bit. I'll close this too. We don't need that. And then you could just click on one of these, and so you can see the data. Very simple, does a good job. Let's talk about how to get this data via API. So if you come over to Cobalt Intelligence and you sign up for an account, you'll get an API key. And in that API key, you're gonna come over here and you're gonna be able to put it in your headers like this. This is with Postman. And Postman will just show the basic request. You're gonna put X API key in the key as the key, and the value will be your API key. And then you're gonna form your search like this. It'll be very simple with the URL, the search, and then you're gonna put your search query right here. Your search query will be whatever your business name is. In this case, I typed in pizza. We can also type something like pasta. And then the state will be AL or Alabama, or also I think we handle even Alabama with a capital like that. And then it'll go out there and get that data from that business. So you can see here, Pasta Co. LLC. We can see the agent name, the entity type, all of that information. Let's go over here and we'll do that search over here. So we go over here, new search. Hey, what the? There were reports there. There we go. You see, you have to purchase the document copies, so you can't really get them otherwise. So here we go. The registered agent name is Juan Aro. I don't know how to say that name. I see right there. The address, all there. So it's all there as we expect. And that is Alabama. Now you can also do it. We have an SDK. So this is how you do it with Postman, or you do this in your code this way. You can also do it over here with an SDK we have in JavaScript, and that's just over here at GitHub. Cobalt Int SDK. You can find it here. I'll link to it in the description. So if you go over here to use the SDK, you're gonna use something like this. You're gonna initialize it with an API key and your new SOS API that you import. This is for JavaScript, by the way, no JS. And then you're going to just send the field like this. Get business details. You're gonna send the business name, the state. This is true by default, which means that we don't get cached data. And then you can also get things like screenshot, and we could show how that looks over here. So over here. So we say and screenshot equals true. You can also search for street, city, zip. If you want to filter your search down even more. Come over here and bam, we've got a screenshot, and there it is. There's our screenshot. So if you have any questions about how to use this, please reach out, support@cobaltintelligence.com, sign up, schedule a demo. We are happy to go through any of this and how to use this to be able to get Secretary of State data, just all via API for Alabama. And we can also do all 50 states. All right, thank you, and have a great day.